A total of 135 early childhood development caregivers or nursery teachers drawn from different early childhood development centers across Yumbi and the Arua City have graduated in capacity building training offered by Aga Khan Academy to enhance the standard of early childhood sector. These caregivers have graduated in interactive mathematics interaction, literacy and numeracy, leadership and management. The 2 days training was hosted by National Teachers College Muni from 9th to 10th of December 2024. Charles Maina, project coordinator for foundational learning implemented by Aga Khan, says what they are doing is to offer professional development for these teachers in early years.
At the Aga Khan schools, we implement a project whereby we offer professional development for teachers in early years. And West Nile region in Uganda, we offer it in the 2 districts of Arua and Yumbe. These teachers had a desire to upgrade on their skills, knowledge and their practices, what it is that they do with the learners in nursery schools. So based on what it is that they asked us, they identified, we designed courses that were supposed to respond to the needs of these teachers. But to ensure that we reached even the most remote parts of the 2 districts, we came up with a course that ensures that these teachers can continue to learn even without the facilitators being there physically. So we would meet together at Muni NTC, we would learn, then they would go to their schools and try to put what they have learned into practice.
Meanwhile, Sandia Morris, lecturer from Muni NTC, says Aga Khan is really doing tremendous activities in transforming the status of early childhood caregivers.
We have hosted Aga Khan more than even 6 times to carry out these activities. We have benefited a lot also from them. How do we benefit from that? Majorly, we have benefited from Aga Khan in the form of training. Our staff, especially the ECD staff, they are also involved in the training. They are trained, and the ECD has now gone to higher level because Aga Khan has also helped to train the staff.
Whereas Ajidru Haret, caregiver at NTC Muni Daycare Nursery and Primary School, says the training has really transformed them.
These people have really changed our life in all what we have been passing through. Before, we had a lot of dilemmas in our classrooms, but due to the course, we have got some impact to add on what we had.
Drani Ronald, Senior Education Officer, Arua City, says it's really brilliant initiative taken by Aga Khan to train these teachers, therefore urges government to support such kind of partners by all means.
When I went through the course content, I realized that this is one of the most unique capacity CPDs that many teachers have never gone through. And we have graduated today 67 ECD caregivers and lead caregivers from Arua district and Arua city, and 83 of them are graduating in Yumbe at the same time. Everyone knows that government has not taken over full funding or implementation of ECD. It is done by private sector, but the training of the teachers is done by the teachers on individual basis. So when we have partners like Aga Khan Foundation that has brought on board Aga Khan Academy, Mombasa, with that kind of capacity to train teachers in different CPDs, to give our teachers here the capacity, I'm very grateful. So my thinking is I'm not the owner of the lands. If such kind of partners who have got evidence of the work are given location places where they can have their headquarters, what's wrong with that? Because they're investing in our education system, why can't they have their headquarters built so that the money they would have spent on renting and so on can be invested in the training of our teachers and upgrading them?
Early childhood development offers a critical window of opportunity to shape the trajectory of a child's holistic development and build a foundation for their future. Oraku Benson Pastore, West Nile Television Nilecast.